guys, so today I'm gonna it's been the same day I posted a video of noon to 5, but actually all they had was up there. Just sit up because my phone's pointing a certain direction. Like sitting up certainly. Okay, so I have to sit up. Okay, so just updating you. What's happening? Tomorrow I am leaving to go on vacation with my grandparents. 2 kids go. On Wednesday, there's no cars allowed, so it's just bikers. So me, my grandpa, my nana, and my brother are gonna be riding for 11 miles on our bikes. So if you see pictures of like in the woods or like hiking, just know why. So really, I'm just at my house, just hanging with my parents. Packed already. Everything's good. Well, that's about it. So, bye.